The Delhi top court today hit a pause button on popular YouTuber Beer Biceps, aka Ranveer Alhabadia's content. Supreme Court has asked him and comedian Samay Rana to stop making videos for now. While the court granted relief to Alhabadia from arrest, it had some scathing observations on Alhabadia and his vulgar joke that has kicked up a storm.
Pervert mindset, obscene remarks, dirt in mind, shameful, shaming parents. This is how the top court pulled up YouTuber Ranveer Alhabadia. The Supreme Court severely criticized Alhabadia for making vulgar remarks on Samay Rana's India's Got Talent show, saying such obscenity should be condemned. The Apex Court said that the podcaster had perversion and dirt in mind, which he puked on the show. Tearing into Alhabadia, the Supreme Court said parents everywhere would be ashamed by such crass comments.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इनको भी अच्छी तरह से फटकारा है और कहा है कि इनके जितने भी शो हो गए वो आगे से बंद किए जाए. जो भी गंदे कंटेंट लेके शो किए, जो छोटे से रील्स के जरिए जितने भी शूट किए वो हटा दिए जाए.
And in a major blow, Supreme Court also put a pause on his podcast show, Beer Biceps, until further notice. After scathing remarks, the top court did offer him some relief after it said no to new police cases could be filed against him on this matter. Police in Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Assam were also barred from arresting Beer Biceps. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis vowed to take action if anyone crossed the limit in vulgarity.
तुम्ही दुसऱ्याच्या अभिव्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्यावर आपल्या स्वातंत्र्याच्या माध्यमातून घाला घालू शकत नाही. त्यामुळे ज्या ठिकाणी अश्लीलता ही परिसीमेच्या बाहेर जाते त्या ठिकाणी कारवाई करणं हे गरजेचं असतं. मात्र या संदर्भात काही नियमावली तयार करता येईल का, जरूर केंद्र सरकारची आमची चर्चा चाललेली.
Will top court crack down mean trouble for YouTubers delving into dark comedy? With Nalini Sharma and Shrishti Ojha in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
While hearing Ranveer Alhabadia's plea, the Supreme Court also called on the centre to regulate obscene content on YouTube. Should there be clearly defined restrictions? The Modi government has been working on amending the existing media laws, and the proposed broadcast bill lays a framework for YouTube content regulation as well. So should the content regulation that extends to television be extended into digital, social and YouTube too?
India's Got Talent controversy has opened a Pandora's box that will impact how content is created and consumed in India. While granting relief to Ranveer Alhabadia against arrest, the Supreme Court called on the centre to consider regulating obscene content on YouTube and other social media platforms. The top court observed that YouTubers are misusing the lack of regulation. The Supreme Court said, "We would be very happy if the government does something on its own to regulate online content." It is also said that it would not allow such a vacuum and barren area to persist. YouTube actively removes videos that violate its community guidelines. In 2023, over 2.25 million videos were removed in India for various violations, making it the highest number globally during that period. The Indian government has been working on amending existing media laws to exert more control over digital content. The latest version of the broadcast bill includes compliance requirements for YouTubers and other digital content creators. The proposed regulations say that creators would need to set up a content evaluation committee to review their content before publication. This committee would consist of experts who would evaluate content for compliance with community standards. Additionally, creators could face criminal liability if they fail to comply with the new regulations. YouTube creators will need to navigate a complex landscape going forward, balancing free speech and accountability in the digital age. With Nalini Sharma and Shrishti Ojha in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.